Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be making this nice sumptuous yogurt. Yes, so these are our Greek yogurts. We're going to be making this yogurt in less than 5 minutes. It's very easy to make, and we're going straight into the video. So the first thing you need to get is your powdered milk. You need your powdered milk. So I'm going to be using pig milk for this video because I like pig milk. I like the consistency. So I'm using a full cream, right? You can use any powdered milk of your choice, but please try and make sure you're using a full cream milk because that will give you a desired result. And the next ingredient is our Greek yogurt. Yes, you heard me right, yogurt. So we're going to be needing a plain yogurt that has life culture. Please guys, don't use a sweetened yogurt. Make sure you're using unsweetened yogurt. And look at the ingredients. You can get this particular type of yogurt in any supermarket. So once you walk into the supermarket, make sure you look at the ingredients and you'll find the life culture. So I like this particular yogurt. This particular one is really nice. It gives me a very good result. So make sure you look at the yogurt very well. Don't buy a sweetened yogurt, you won't get what you want. So make sure it's unsweetened and have a life culture attached to it. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to mix our powdered milk and clean water. Sorry, I did not put out the measurements right here, so I'm going to be dropping that in the description box below. So I'm going to drop the measurements, the milk measurements, and the amount of clean water. So make sure you're using clean water to make this normal room temperature. So I'm going to mix properly. So this particular stage, make sure you're mixing properly. You mix the ingredients, the milk and your water. So now we're going to bring it to a boil. Please don't make this to overboil. Immediately you see this bubble coming out, put off your flame and make sure you're doing this on low heat. And after this, we're going to bring our milk to cool down. Okay, so after boiling a bit, so allow it to cool down for a while. And when the consistency has cooled a little, you can try checking the temperature with your finger. So you can wash your finger and dip your hand into this milk and make sure that your milk is now warm. It should not be hot, please. And as you can see, I'm taking off the clothing. So once it's cooled down, it's going to coagulate this thick clothing on the top of the milk. So we don't need this for the yogurt. So I'm going to be scooping this out. So you're going to carefully scoop out this clothing from your milk. So please make sure your milk is at room temperature. Make sure it's warm. Make sure it's warm. I'm not saying you should allow it to cool. Don't make it cool, like to be very cold. It will not work like that, okay? So try and make sure your milk is cool. And after doing this, then the next thing is our culture, that's the yogurt. So you're going to be taking some quantity of this particular yogurt and you're going to mix it in a separate bowl. So you can mix it directly into your milk, it's also fine. So I just decided to mix separately. So I'm just scooping, just take little quantity, don't add too much. And I pour in my milk. So this is the warm milk. I'm going to mix it separately. So after mixing the culture separately, you see I'm still checking to be sure that this is warm, not hot. You don't want to use hot milk, so you don't have to kill the bacteria that will help you to do the job. Because the bacteria the bacteria in the yogurt is going to do the job for you. So when you mix, mixing is very important in this place. In this yogurt making, you need to mix and mix and mix properly. Make sure you're mixing everything right. And after you're done mixing, then you're going to proceed inputting this into your milk. So now you add it to the milk and stir that properly and make sure everything mixes together. And now we'll pour into our bowl. I'm going to be using a plastic bowl. I'm going to cover this bowl. Make sure you use something that has a covering, so you don't want your milk to be opened. So after this, I'm going to get a cloth, like you can use your pillowcase, you can get any clothing in your home. Now we're going to be wrapping everything up. As you can see, I've wrapped it properly. Wrap and cover properly so there will not be any space, and when you're done wrapping, you look for a warm place in your kitchen, in your house, and keep this. If you have kids, please keep it in a place where they cannot get to it. Then I'm going to be leaving this for like 11 to 12 hours. So guys, make sure you keep this for a while. And this is it. This is about 11 to 12 hours, and wow, you can see my milk is all set, like my yogurt is all set. So you can consume this directly, make it for your parfait, or if you want it more thicker, you can strain the yogurt. So I can't just wait, and I already made my parfait. So guys, if you find this video exciting, like, share, comment, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.